Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Stella with Jenny, and if you're the first one stopping by, please don't make it your last. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to get notified when I posting videos online. In today's video, we're learning how to draft and cut this Cowl Effect Bubu gown. So if that's something you're so much interested in watching, you want to know how to cut it, how you want to know how to draft it, and cut it directly on your fabric. I'll be cutting it with a pattern, but you will cut it directly on your fabric. Please stick to this video, watch till the end, and do not skip any parts because they are very, very important. Watch till the end, and I will also appreciate if you subscribe, you like, you share, or you leave a comment in the comment section for an interaction. And share this video also to your friends who you think will need this to see this video also. And without further ado, let us go straight to the video. So the first thing is to take the length of your measurement. I'm using this small pattern as an example. So make sure you've measured out the length of your gown from the shoulder to the ankle length, depending on where you want it to stop actually. So now I'm going to take the shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus my sleeve length, or you take your mid neckline, your mid neck. That's your backbone. Take from your backbone to the sleeve length where you want it to end. You mark it. Then you come for shoulder slope. Take 1 inches for shoulder slope. For your neck width, you can take the desired neck width you want to run with, 3 inches, 4 inches, whichever one. Then from the neck width, connect it straight to your shoulder slope. Then I'm going to take a neck depth measurement. You can take 7 inches, you can take 8 inches, depending on how deep you want yours to go down. You connect it with a V, with a straight ruler for that V effect. So I'm going to mark 0.5 inches there to eliminate sagging. So to avoid it from sagging, you mark 0.5 inches there. Then also you're going to take the back neck depth. The back neck depth, you can work with 1 inch, you can work with 2 inches, you can work with 1.5 inches, you can work with 3 inches, depending on how wide you want it to or how deep you want it to go. Then I took the round sleeve measurement. So how wide you want yours to take 9 to 10 inches to 11 inches, depending on your client's size. So at the hemline, you will mark your hip circumference divided by 4. Mark your hip circumference divided by 4. You can add some extra allowances if you want. Then connect it as a slanted line. This slanted line will give that cowl effect. This slanted line will give that cowl effect. Then marking for my yoke. From the front neck depth, you mark it straight to the sleeves. Then at that point I'm showing you now, you will slit it because it has a slit in that the inspiration has a slit at the end. So you can make the slit up to the knee line, or you can just make it at the calf length. That's the calf of your leg. Then you cut. Remember where we came down by 0.5 inches to eliminate sagging. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'm just dividing this and cutting out where that is necessary. The other place is for the back, and this is for the front. I'll go ahead to cut the front neckline. So I'm just marking out and leveling where necessary. So mark the V neckline for the front, cut out the yoke, and your pattern is set. You can just mark this straight on your fabric, but remember to add side allowances. That's the join allowances by the sides. Join allowances are needed at the neckline. Then at that place I'm pointing at, you can mark, you should add 1 inch allowance so that when you join it together with the lower part, you will still have the same length with the back. So that is it. And remember to slit it at the side. Thank you for watching. Bye.